If you have a skin that is not too oily, not too dry, then you have a normal skin. And welcome to the video that we're going to be talking about normal skin and the products that you should use as a normal skin person. Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite girl Amarachi Favy, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about normal skin. I've noticed that I've always been talking about acne prone skin because that is my skin type, and I do not talk about normal skin or combination skin. Then I'm starting off a series where I'm going to talk about the normal skin and the combination skin. So this kind of video is the kind of video that you're interested to watch. Sit back and let's dive into the video. So if you have a normal skin, you should know that your skin is near perfection. You do not have much problems, you do not have much troubles, but you still want to use skincare products because you want your skin to always eat 10/10 minus nothing. Then this video is a video that you should watch from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to be telling you the products that you're supposed to use as a normal skin person, and I'm going to be telling you how you're going to use this product so that they will work and work effectively for you. So the first thing I want to tell you as a normal skin is that you're going to be needing a cleanser that can help you to double cleanse your skin. Okay, you're supposed to be doing what's called double cleansing as a normal skin, although I would recommend that you double cleanse just twice in a week or 3 times in a week, and you double cleanse only at night using a cotton pad. And for double cleanse, you're going to be needing these products. You're going to be needing simple micellar water or the Nivea micellar water. Any of the micellar waters that you can get and incorporate into your routine is very fine. Double cleansing will help to open up your pores and give you a fresh, renewed skin. Open up your pores and get your skin ready for the next skincare products that you're going to apply onto your skin, because if your skin pores are closed, there is no how these products will work on your skin and work effectively. So you're going to start off with your double cleansing, and once you use a cotton pad to soak the micellar water and then cleanse your face, swipe through your face, the next thing you're going to be needing is a cleanser proper that would help to wash your skin and wash away impurities and dirt, and also the oil on the surface of your skin. And for cleansing, I'm going to recommend the Face Fact Ceramide Hydrating Cleanser. For a normal skin, you need a hydrating cleanser because you do not want to strip your skin of its natural oil. And also, if you cannot lay your hands on the Face Fat Cleanser, you can as well get the simple moisturizing facial wash. It is also suitable and perfect for normal skin. And if you have the money to spare, you can get the La Roche-Posay hydrating cleanser. That one is if you have all the money in your bank account. If you're not on a budget, you can get this one, but for the budget, you can get the simple or the Face Fat. Any of these cleansers that you can get would help to gently cleanse your face and also hydrate your skin, because you don't need your skin to be worn out. You don't need your natural oils to be swept off your face. Okay, and after cleansers, the next thing I'm going to recommend for you would be toners. Although toners are not really compulsory, but if you have the money to splurge further, I would recommend that you get yourself toners and incorporate toners into your skincare routine as a normal skin babe. Toners will help to balance the pH of your skin and also add hydration onto your skin. So you see, it's a win-win if you add toners into your skincare routine. And for toners, I'm going to be recommending the simple refreshing toner, and also the Face Fact toner, and also the Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide toner. Any of these toners that you can add to your skincare routine will be perfect for you as a normal skin babe. The hydrating toner from Simple would help to lock in moisture, soothing your skin, calm your skin, and make your skin to look plump and even ready to accept other products. And also the one from Face Fact also lock in moisture onto your skin, while the one from Tony Moly is the general of them all. It will help to lock in moisture, and it contains ceramide, which would help you not to break your skin barrier or restore your skin barrier in case your skin barrier is broken. And after toners, the next thing you're going to be needing will have to be a serum. Serums are not optional, serums are compulsory. You must have a serum in your routine as a normal skin babe. Okay, for serums, I'm going to be recommending the Pioneer Vitamin C Serum, the Face Pack Vitamin C Serum, the Dr. Rachel Vitamin C Serum, and also the Face Pack Polypeptide Serum. Okay, these 4 serums are good for normal skin, and they would help to target dullness, fine lines, and also get rid of hyperpigmentation, give you a brighter looking skin, okay, and make your skin to eat, make your skin to pop. They will make your skin to be brighter and radiant. That is the work of these serums in your routine as a normal skin person. For the serums, you can use them twice daily. You can use them morning and night. You can even choose to use them only at night. That is if you want, okay, but the main thing is that you really need a serum in your routine. The next thing you're going to be needing after your serums will have to be a moisturizer. And for normal skin, I would always recommend a moisturizer that can lock in extra moisture so that your skin will not have to be dry or flaky. For moisturizers, I'm going to be recommending the one from Face Fact. That Face Fact gel moisturizer is very good, and it is suitable for normal skin. It will help to lock in moisture. It will help you to stay hydrated and plumped and moisturized. Another moisturizer that I would recommend will have to be the one from Simple moisturizer is also good for you as a normal skin, and the A3 hyaluronic acid moisturizer is also perfect for normal skin people. So if you lay your hands on any of these three moisturizers that I just recommended, you will notice that your skin will be looking plump, fresh, and moisturized. And for moisturizers, you're going to apply your moisturizers morning and night. Every time you are done with your serum, you apply your moisturizers. When it comes to your morning skincare routine, your moisturizer should be the second to the last thing to apply, because after that you're going to apply your sunscreen. And when it comes to your night skincare routine, the moisturizer should be the last thing that you apply when you are doing your night skincare routine. And remember to be generous with the moisturizer so that your skin will not lack moisture. So for the chemical exfoliant that you're going to be needing as a normal skin person, I would recommend that you get chemical exfoliant because it would help to exfoliate your skin, get rid of dead skin cell, and also open up your pores furthermore so that the products will work effectively. And for the chemical exfoliant, I would recommend that you use them only 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. If you have a very sensitive skin, use 2 times in a week and only at night. But if you don't have a very sensitive skin, you can use your chemical exfoliants at night, okay, as well, and then you can use it 3 times in a week. Do you understand? Sensitive skin, 2 times in a week and at night. If you don't have a sensitive skin, 3 times in a week and also at night. And for chemical exfoliants, I would recommend the Paula's Choice Mandelic Acid, which soothes and brightens the skin. This particular chemical exfoliant would help to sooten your skin and give you a brighter looking skin. Another chemical exfoliant that I'll recommend for you will have to be the Witch Strength Mandelic Acid that contains 5%, okay? This other one is mild and it also helps to hydrate your skin the proper way. The next one will have to be the Ordinary Lactic Acid, which will actually help to gently exfoliate your skin and also lock in moisture onto the surface of your skin. Another one I would recommend for you in case you're on a budget will have to be the Face Fact Lactic Acid. This one is gentle and affordable. It actually helps also lock in moisture and also get rid of dead skin cell on your skin. And make sure that once you are done exfoliating your skin, that you go in with moisturizers, okay? That's the one that I recommended. So you lock in all the moisture on your skin. If you do not apply moisturizers when you are done exfoliating your skin will be dry and your skin will be flaky and your skin will not eat. So the last thing that you need in your routine as a normal skin person will have to be sunscreens. Sunscreens are non-negotiable. Is a must when it comes to your skincare routines. And for sunscreens, I will recommend the Skin Aqua sunscreen, okay? You can get the Skin Aqua sunscreen, you can get the Bio UV sunscreen, you can get the Nivea sunscreen. Any of these sunscreens that you can get, these 3 sunscreens that I just recommended is perfect for you as a normal skin person, and they contain 50 SPF each, okay? That would help to protect your skin from the harmful UV ray, give you maximum protection and maximum coverage from the sun so that you will not have sunburn, you will not have dark patches on your face, and you will not have, any discoloration on your skin. Your skin will just eat and your skin will pop, okay? So now I'm going to be telling you how to apply this product for you to achieve a maximum result. I'm going to give you a quick recap, okay, of the things that we just mentioned. The first thing you're going to be needing is you have to be a micellar water that will help you to double cleanse. And remember, you should double cleanse at least 2 times or 3 times in a week. And after that, you're going to be needing a cleanser proper, which have to be a hydrating cleanser that would not strip your skin of natural oil. And once you are done washing your face, which you're going to do morning and night, you're going to be needing a toner that would help to lock in moisture, hydrate your skin, sooten your skin, calm your skin so that your skin barrier will not be broken. After that, you're going to be needing a serum that will actually help to give you a brighter looking skin. And then after that, you're going to be needing a moisturizer that will help to lock in moisture. And you're going to need a chemical exfoliant that would help you to exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead skin cell. And the last thing you're going to be needing will have to be a sunscreen that will help to protect your skin from the harmful UV ray and give you that coverage that you need from the sun. For your sunscreens, remember to reapply every 2 to 3 hours, especially if you're always under the sun. And remember the 3-finger method when it comes to applying your sunscreen. Here, here, and here. This is the right amount of sunscreen to use so that you don't end up saying, I used all these products and yet I did not see any good results. And there you have it, my loves. These are my basic skincare routine for a normal skin, okay? Morning skincare routine and night skincare routine for a normal skin. If you follow these steps that I just gave and purchase the product I just recommended and use it the way that I just said in this video, you are going to be having a good skin. Your skin will take a good turn, okay? If you have watched a particular point of the video and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe and also leave a notification bell on so that you get notified once I upload a new video. Like this video, share to someone that you know that is a normal skin, so the person will know the right products to use and how to use them. Leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you are waiting for this video on this channel and I finally created it. Please leave a comment in the comment section telling me if you're a normal skin and the products that you are using as a normal skin, and also tell me the product you're going to purchase because you just watch this video as a normal skin person. And until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.